Hi everyone. In my last video, we have discussed what is ratio and properties of ratio. Today in this video, I am going to tell you some problems on ratio. Let us see some problems. See here, divide rupees 5600 in the ratio 3 is to 4 between Raju and Ravi. Here, given amount is 5600 rupees. Given ratio is 3 is to 4. In my last video, we have discussed the properties of ratio. The order of the ratio is very important. So here, 3 is to 4 is divided between Raju and Ravi. It means that Raju has 3 parts and Ravi has 4 parts. Sum of the terms of the ratio is equals to 3 plus 4, 7. Now, here we have to find the share of Raju and the share of Ravi. So, share of Raju. Out of 7 parts, here Raju have 3 parts. So, we have to write like this. Out of 7 parts, Raju has 3 parts. So, 3 by 7 into 5600. So, here we get 7 8 are 56. So, 800. 3 into 800, 2400. From this, we can find the share of Ravi also. If we subtract 2400 from 5600, the result is 3200, which is the share of Ravi. That can be also solved by like this. Share of Ravi is equal to, out of 7 parts, Ravi has 4 parts. So 4 by 7 into rupees 5600. Here 7 8 are 56. So here 800. 4 into 800, 3200 or 3200. Let us see one more example. See here, distribute rupees 107.50 paisa to A, B, C such that A is to B is equals to 5 is to 4 and B is to C is equals to 3 is to 4. In this question, they will ask what is the share of C or what is the share of B and what is the share of A, like that also. So here, to find the share of A, B and C, we have to find the ratio of A is to B is to C. For this, in my previous video, we have learned a trick. So by using that simple trick, we can find the ratio of A is to B is to C very easily. So in that shortcut, we have to write antecedents of two ratios first. So 5, 3. And then consequence of the two ratios 4, 4. Now, how can we get A? By multiplying 5 and 3, we can get A. So, 5 into 3. By multiplying 3 and 4, we get B. So, 3 into 4. By multiplying 4 and 4, we get C. So 4 into 4. So observe here, is there any common factor between these three numbers? Here in these two numbers, 3 is the common factor, but 3 is not present in this number. If you observe these two numbers, here 4 is the common factor, but 4 is not present in the first number. So there is no common factor among these three numbers. So multiply 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So ratio of A is to B is to C is equals to 15 is to 12 is to 16. Now, how can we get the shares of A, B and C? By using the same method just we have done before. Sum of the terms of the ratio is equals to 15 plus 12 plus 16. 15 plus 12, 27. 27 plus 16, 43. Now, share of A, out of these total 43 parts, A has 15 parts. So we have to write the fraction like this, 15 by 43 into total amount is 107 rupees 50 paisa. So 43 ones are 43 twos are 86, and then here 21.5. So 43 5s are, we can get 21.5. Now 15 into 2.5. 15 twos are 30, 15 halves is 7.5. So 37.50. It means that rupees 37.50 paisa. Now share of B. Out of 43 parts, B's share, B has 12 parts. So 12 by 43 into rupees 107.50. Here the same 43, 2.5 is 107.50. So 12 into 2.5. 12 twos are 24 and 12 halves 6. 24 plus 6, 30. Now share of C. Out of 43 parts, C share is 16 parts. So 16 by 43 into rupees 107.50. 43 2.5 is 107.50. Now 16 2.5, 16 twos are 32 and 16 halves 8. 32 plus 8, 40 rupees. So now if we add these three shares, you can get the total amount. 40, 30, 70, 70 plus 37.50 is nothing but 107.50, 107 rupees 50 paisa.